Look at this. What the heck? You can see they're like brass plated. I think they're brass plated steel hinges. And I think the doorknobs are pure brass. These are magnetic and these are not. So I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna try and get this paint off of them without stripping the what I assume to be brass plating. I'm gonna put some aluminum foil. Also got plastic wrap. In my understanding, you put the citrus strip on there and you don't want it to dry. So the plastic wrap kind of keeps everything in there nice and moist. If anybody else does that, make sure you do it in a well-ventilated area. Got windows open. 11:08. I think would be safe to do about 30 minutes. Just go ahead and do. All right. Seal them in. Okay, it's 11:38. Let's see. Ooh. Spatula. Just scrape and remove the big chunks. 30 minutes was a pretty good starting place. Let's wash them off. So I removed the stripper and I washed them and they're looking pretty good. But with so much exposed metal, I don't think I want to do another layer of citrus strip. So I'm going to try and put some like boiling hot water on them and use this mostly because it's down in these creases. I feel comfortable using this screwdriver to like pick it out. So that's, we'll see how it works. Just long enough. Have some polish. We're gonna try and hit it with that now that it's decently cleaned up. And I think I'm gonna leave some of the tarnish instead of like completely polishing it because I like that it looks old. So now to do it 25 more times with a grain.